Samsung released their most recent S-series smartphone, the S23 lineup, in 2023. The S23 Ultra smartphone was released with a 200-megapixel camera, up from 108 megapixels on the S22 Ultra. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung delivered a considerable boost to the primary camera, while the rest of the hardware remained almost same. It also enhanced the selfie camera with a better resolution, but don't anticipate any substantial camera improvements with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the company's next-generation flagship phone. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's main camera will feature the same 200-megapixel ISO Cell-HP2 camera sensor, the 12-megapixel Sony IMX754 sensor for the telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and the 12-megapixel Sony IMX564 sensor for the ultra-wide camera are also expected to be included in the future phone. The telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom is the only sensor that is being upgraded. For the greatest optical zoom range, the businesses claim to employ a slightly enhanced 12-megapixel Sony IMX754 Plus sensor. If this information is correct, we should expect only minor increases in 10x zoom performance. Any additional improvements in camera quality on the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have to come from software and processing upgrades. No information regarding the cameras on the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus has been revealed. If the Galaxy S24 Ultra does not deliver major camera improvements, the same may be said about the other two versions in the range. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 series may have additional RAM and storage as well as improved battery life. In Asia and North America, Samsung is anticipated to equip the Galaxy 24 series with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while in Europe, the firm may release Exynos 2400 variations of the phones, both of which are believed to feature ARM's newest CPU cores. The Exynos 2400 is intended to have 4 times the GPU performance of the Exynos 2200. Further details are scheduled to be revealed before the end of the year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.